Tweezer. I just recently uploaded a video titled as DIY Miniature Humpty Dumpty, and so many of my viewers were loving it. So I decided that I'll make another fun short video, and so that's why we are here today. You wanna see what I made?
Oh, yes, of course! I'm so excited to see Humpty Dumpty again!
Oh my goodness, Tweezer. You are so funny sometimes. Look at her, guys. My best friend can't even pronounce my Humpty Dumpty's name. Tweezer, he is Humpty Dumpty, not Dumpty Dumpty.
I know. Well, I just call him Humpty Dumpty for fun.
Okay, fine, no problem. So, if you are ready and so are my viewers, so let's start the video. What say?
Sure, let's go!
Let's go, girls. Let's see my video.
Oh my god! See, Humpty Dumpty is talking!
Oh my god, yes!
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall.
Humpty Dumpty had a great fall.
All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put me together again. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again.